basics worked out, getting a little bit of that training underway, but also to have a look at this, Garmin's Forerunner 45. It's Garmin's GPS sports watch that encompasses GPS, training with the likes of Garmin's built-in coach, as well as many other running apps. So let's stop pedaling for a second, get it out the box, and see what it has to offer. So first things first, this is a brand new sealed one I've got from Garmin. So let's rip the plastic apart, see what comes inside the box. Get that plastic out the way for a second. As you can see here, it's got the little warranty and seal on the box, which we'll need to break apart, which we'll do in just a second. And apart from this, you're getting what is overall a crisp, clean and clear box, which just has some of the details. What does it include? For starters, up to 7 days battery life. It's got a 5 ATM waterproof rating, so you can use it for the likes of training in a lap pool, swimming and lengths. You've got up to 13 hours of battery life in GPS mode, and it's got a 42mm size on the band, so it can go pretty large, pretty universal in terms of its use and usability. Then you've got the likes of live tracking. It's got Garmin's coach, as I mentioned. You can link it to apps like Strava, for example, Endomondo, any other major fitness apps, compare your results with others, compete against yourself and that of others. And overall, what I love about it is, from the picture on the box, it's a simple round face dial. I prefer that to square fitness watches, got a more conventional look. It's also got a rubber band, which makes it exceptionally practical. For charging the watch, it comes with this proprietary cable, which is designed for this watch. It simply magnetizes or clips onto the back of the watch here, and that's where you also find the heart rate sensor. Now, it's a wrist-based sensor, and I must say from trying it on, it's an extremely comfortable, very durable rubber strap. What's also nice is the watch design and size. It's got a very universal size, not too large on the wrist, but not too small all at the same time. Bringing a simple design, compact dimensions and an affordable price point, this has just been a quick look and unboxing at Garmin's Forerunner 45. From me, Jason of TechnoBok, until next time, I'll see you guys soon. Cheers for now.